Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, investors sought out Sagicor's newest offer of its Sagicor Select Fund, which opened on Wednesday. The fund will track the JSE's finance index, giving investors exposure to the local financial sector. Sagicor has been making the news recently with the appointment of its former chairman Richard Biles to the governorship of the Bank of Jamaica, effective August this year, and the appointment of Sagicor's new chairman, Mr. Peter Melhedo, effective July 2, following Mr. Biles' resignation. On the money market, Jamaican dollar money market rates held steady at 1.8% for the 30-day tenor, moving up 10 basis points. Demand was steady, sufficient only to cover open positions. The government of Jamaica is currently conducting a survey for proposed rates for two new issues in July, a 4-year and a 10-year fixed rate paper. Stay tuned for more to come on these in coming weeks. For the US dollar fixed income market, rates held at last week's high of 3% despite the influx of liquidity from the maturity of the German 8% 2019 global bond. The unmoved rate is mostly due to market liquidity being used to seek replacement assets. There are no new issues expected in the US dollar market at this time. On the bond market, the yield on the benchmark US 10-year Treasury bond fell 6 basis points in trading today to close at 1.96%. This as investors reacted to threats from the United States to impose additional tariffs of $4 billion on Eurozone goods. Following this, investors fled to safe haven assets on the back of growing concerns over global growth. The foreign exchange market. The Jamaican dollar continued its weakening trajectory into July. End-user demand has tempered following the large supply offered by a commercial bank at an average rate of Jamaican $129.84 to US $1 in the last week of June. Interdealer activities saw trading executed as high as $133.50 to US $1. June opened at $132.61 and closed at $131.07, posting an appreciation of 1.16%. Year to date, the Jamaican dollar weighted average selling rate has depreciated by 2%, having opened on January 3 at $128.50. Contact your expert VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.